the food nice and when dirty and water.
Yeah, then time they nice.
Yeah, man, they help you stir pot, man.
Fire catch right now, so.
How I go on?
Find some of my big something, them I go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That wildlife.
Tadpole, them.
Wanna go in the tadpole, them.
Big tadpole. Yeah.
Oh.
Big. Of course, me never see tadpole so big.
You never got a river yet like now. And here sound loud nice.
Salamander, brother.
Yeah. Them that.
Yeah. Grow big. You know about spring chicken?
Yeah.
Spring chicken.
Oh, no hear that people with justice on liquor spring chicken a while ago.
Yeah.
Me wonder if I can catch one and eat right now.
You're not too springy right now.
It's not too springy right now. Alright, we'll wait till it get bigger.
Summer now.
When do?
Summer.
In summer?
Yeah.
Alright. So I want you to stay tuned and watch till everything set up, alright? So we out here. A bee fly around the light. And a mosquito around here now have no mosquito. Don't?
No.
Bee, sandfly. You man like getting in my mouth.
We are prepare up ourselves now.
We are prepare.
and bury a post.
Where am I do?
We are prepared so we can have a light. So we can hook up the light, right?
When you
on
say
the
I do, prepare.
Yeah.
Prepare.
Prepare.
Oh, yeah. It's 1970. We are prepared. That's why I love because I say, what night is that about? We are prepared.
Alright, so we are prepare the thing them right now. See, pack them and thing right here. So
Yeah,
one
man.
dukes right here. So
One
set up the light.
dogs and then about two dogs.
And then one. Right, so we have Chevy over here, so and vibes.
Yeah, set up the tent, yeah.
So what we are doing now?
Set up the tent, set
We
up
are-
our house.
Set up the house. Cool girl Chester. Yeah.
Right, that's for your letter and see if they accept it.
They not accept it if you say girl Chester.
No.
What am I gonna say? Do I deny your letter?
Yes.
Oh,
It's Manchester.
it's Manchester, not
Yeah,
girl Chester.
yeah. Manchester native, yeah?
Manchester native.
Yeah.
Alright.
Fully.
Girl Chester means the people. So, me gonna set up my tent, you know. Tips. So my tent here, me I set up my tent right now, you know, man. Look at that. See stick them here. This is second time me I use that tent here. Alright? So me I gonna set it up right, you know. I remember how to set it up. Cause first time I didn't know how to set it up, but now I have an idea. Alright, so now go and lock in, I go set it up. The rest of the man them over there so I set up for them one. So now watch the process. Peeps, look what's taking place. This tent take 1 hour for me to set up. 1 hour. Yo, look what I got, people. Every man have a bigger tent. Look at my tent. That take 1 hour. This tent 5 minutes. This one 3 minutes. So I said
And then that.
that a fifth. Yeah, look at my tent. Them I call fifth. Food is right here. This man don't set up no
I
tent.
was in pitching fifth. I don't think that. A fifth.
Where see I going right here, so now? Fireside a bill. Chevy Nation.
We there here.
Vibes.
Enjoy the night.
Yeah, suit up already.
Yeah, man.
We have repellent here if mosquitoes start bite to know.
Repellent. And the
Yeah.
fire rebuild.
The mosquito and their behavior tonight.
Them not
They know
be.
we have visitors. They don't misbehave when we have visitors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
good to
They
know
don't
that.
misbehave.
So Junior set up the fire right here, so. Where's the campfire?
Don't make sense.
Right. Right now we are gear up for going in the water.
If me turn around,
We go
come
hunt
over
some
here,
crayfish.
just take it down.
So, we don't believe. The man them gone up river for catch crayfish for cook. So we say we are cook some rice and peas. Look on the table here, so. So we are cook rice and peas and curry crayfish. Anything we catch in the river, we are cooked today. Alright, so that I go on. See red peas here look like peanut.
Yeah, man.
And you have all I seasoning them right here, so Junior they over here, so look like he want to go sleep.
Nah, man, me just there build for my veranda, man. What you say, man?
Yeah, build by your veranda.
Yeah, and bedroom the way back around there, so.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
I'm a little tent there, right? There's a lock up. Chevy the here, so I catch up with fire. Yes, yeah, you're the fire queen.
Yes, I'm the fire queen.
Yes, no
Yeah.
man, look where I go on, peeps.
I'm the vice queen as well.
And the vice queen.
Yes. I'm the vice master.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so I catch you fire.
Right, so we're gonna go and lock in while she catch up the fire.
Because it's going to be nice.
Yes, no
Yeah.
man. Fire catch right now, so right now we're gonna put on the peas. And get everything up and running. Yes, no man. I hear some weird thing in our water. Like crocodile. But I now go into the water.
Wake up, neighbors.
Yes, no man.
That's what we do it now. We come out early man time, Jay, and everybody asleep.
Yeah. So you wake up in here by then?
I would have go to prison.
Wake up in here by them in our country. So that I go on from what I go on, so no stay tuned. You don't want to miss the night party. We are cook when Duppy a walk. What you say?
When time dark, your food nice, so when Duppy a walk.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and then
man.
time they nice.
Yeah, man, they help you store pot, man.
Alright,
Feed
sir.
them touch, no normal.
Yeah, that
me
people.
tell you. Yeah, man.
People may hear one thing over there saying I water. I don't know if I tell you already. But
A frog, man, they call him a frog.
a frog, I call him a call, we ma call. Oh, I can't we ma call in the water there at all.
In the mood now. In the mood now.
That's him I say I'm in the mood.
In the mood now.
So he want him girl to come visit him. But Junior there at be a dopey story to blow. Right now I want to go sleep. I'm afraid right now.
I tell you, man, watch out. One time, I work with one of them boss, them a bird bush.
Yeah.
You see me? Real story. All who want believe, believe. Who don't want believe, don't believe. Go so boops. Ball shoot one bird. Ball plate. White crown pigeon to be exact. You see me? Go feed bird down in some bush. And then thing. Remember I tell you say a beer. Cave and honeycomb rock and them thing they do down the sucker hill. You see me?
Yeah.
Bro, me reach down to a bird there. I look for a bird. You see right when I go pick up a bird like a bird that the right way, igloo the right or so. You see me? And I walk go for a bird that come from the direction there, walk come for a bird. And buck up on a cave. A small little cave. It ain't even big like this.
Yeah.
More small like this, but you go under. You see me? And you see right eye front eye cave, the cave. As me say, believe me, yes I know. They have one they get pretty blue flowers. Never see the flowers they know nowhere else yet. One pretty blue flowers by itself. And you see around the flowers clean. Like something there they take care of flowers. You know them way they like call when you drop leaf then drop off it and anything there.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
something would move it. You know see no drop leaf. You know see nothing around it. Area clean. Clean.
Yeah?
I mean I tell you, I have my phone for me bro and you know come to my mind say yo, video this.
Yeah.
You know them way they know when you buck up on something unique where for right now in a full time generation where I live.
Yeah.
If we pass a man are dead, the first thing we do, I take up the phone. You see me? I mean I tell you no phone no come to my mind bro. So me I show you. Them they sitting there, I can't sit in there feed up on the world. You get me I say bro car. To all round the flowers clean, bro.
So you say it's a dopey I take care right?
Boy, I don't want to say it's dopey, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to say that, you know.
But you feel like somebody I take care
But
right?
something there they take care right. You watch documentary one time where you have some type of bird. We do them thing there, you know.
Yeah.
But me don't know if then they are Jamaica too. You get me I say? But me I tell you, bro, one blue pretty flowers.
Yeah.
You know, grow like no rose flowers and then thing they have 6 leaf panny.
6
Broad out with 6 leaf panny. You know like them flowers the way that join in your book on your picnic?
Yeah.
Soy flowers look with 2 leaf panny.
Yeah.
You see me? And you can see a big tree. So then tree they have a shed leaf and them thing they feel be so pretty. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
And he shed leaf them and then thing then they know around. Know around you and they under one cave. And which part of the under the cave, bro? It's like behind it, I get darkness.
Yeah.
And when the sun come out more while, I just the face part alone, I get sunlight.
Oh.
Yeah, the sun now shine behind, go up under the cave, none at all.
None at all.
None at all. And like if it rain, if it fall and anything there, all the way get water, if it run from half a honeycomb rock. Like run off and drip down to it. You see me?
Yeah.
I mean I tell you, in the same time, we did have rain and anything there. And round it clean, bro.
Clean same way.
Clean. No leaf, no drop leaf, no stick, no nothing.
Nothing at all.
Clean. I cleanest spot me ever see. Round the flowers.
And nobody no live down there.
You can't live down there, sir.
Peas there on fire. Look on fire blazing. You feel it, pot? Yeah, man, steam a fly out of it. Now you know fully boil. Yeah, man, steam there. See what go on in the pot, the peas. So you mean you go sinky?
So what I need to make the peas set at the bottom?
You go throw more water in it?
Yeah.
I make your water set at the bottom?
The peas set at the bottom.
Oh,
You don't have nothing floating on the top. Because when it's floating, it's not going to cook.
hold on. I want hear that part there. Turn off your light. Cause she tell me say she go sink the peas. And the peas then in the water. So you go drown the peas. Make it sink. Explain. Explain it to me.
Normally when you're cooking peas, when you start boil up, you have to throw water in it and make it sink at the bottom. Right? Because if you don't throw no water in it, just keep float on the top.
Oh, so,
So
first you put...
It might cook, but not tonight.
Oh. So first you put in a little water in it.
Yeah, make it cook with a little water.
And then when
Then
it start...
boil now, you throw a good amount, make it
Sink.
the peas sink at the bottom.
Okay, you have to go show with that tonight.
When you do that, in less than half hour, the peas is ready.
Alright, she go show you how she do that peas.
It a boil up?
Yeah, it a boil up. I want to see how that can... I know some me cook peas at all. I cook, me can't cook, don't it? Yeah, man, it's good. Good to learn. So I learn today. But I boil. Oh, see peas them are float there?
Yeah, so the peas them the pan the top.
Yeah, see peas them on the top. So she add water to it, you know.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, none of the peas them on the top, you know.
So in
Everything
less than half hour, the peas is ready.
in less than half an hour?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, say that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She a chef, you know.
Because I weed this.
Be this,
Yeah,
look
man.
at that. So now go and stay tuned
Yeah, man.
and watch it.
Lucky. Back.
Yeah, man. So
When you're not thinking, man, you never cook it, and tell you.
when you're not think you never cook, so people when you go and lock in and watch the process, we out here in the dark. You don't know, say it's a camping vibes. A lot more camping video come soon, you know, people. So you believe and just watch the process. And me go upgrade my tent soon. Alright? Believe.
The man will run down a bird.
Yeah.
That the man
Make
there.
the people hear that. Can I tell you a story a while ago?
Alright, that the man I know. That then time that when we did a booming oil, about 11-year-old. Just I got a bird bush and then thing there. You see me? One hombre go a bush with him boss. You see me? Him boss shoot the bird. See him ball plate, see him white crown pigeon. You see me? Bird drop. Run go for the bird. And like when he put in hand over a bird, if you take up a bird fly off. Fly from here so go out there so. No more than 2 feet from him. In and your side. Run gone for the bird again. Bird do the same thing. Fly from here so to there so.
Yeah.
Fly from here so to there so. So he might run down the bird till he losing direction. He can't hear no gonna fire again. He can't hear nothing. 3 weeks then last him for.
3 weeks in last, huh?
3 weeks.
So how him survive?
When then do find him back. Let me tell you how him survive. Well, him tell we how him survive.
Oh, him tell you no.
Yeah.
So him
But
in my life same way.
yeah man, in life and well said way man. Right now if you see him, he can tell you back his same story.
Yeah.
You see me?
And it's a real life story.
Real life story. Based on a true story.
Alright, so
Tell
hear
me,
that, people. It's a true story.
True story.
Alright, so tell him survive. Come on, hear that part then. For 3 weeks.
Alright, the bird season go on for 6 weekends. You see me? It lasts from the first weekend. You see me? So you see on the third weekend,
Yeah.
like, is another man go for a bird. You see me? In bar shoot a bird and another man go for a bird. And like Emmanuel last, hear the person by voice in a bush and call out. And that the man there, like, you would have called back, but to them know how them bush they stay. Vice, you will hear voice a call to you in a them bush there. And you swear things say, alright, me and you we go bush. And me walk from you so gone this and you gone this so. And you hear voice a call you and swear things say and me a call you and me no business boy you none at all. me no know who a call you and you no know who a call you neither.
Yeah.
But you just answer and decide if you follow. I saw down there in place to stay. So at first when the man hear man voice, he never really did want to answer.
Yeah.
You see me? So when he goes to boops and do answer now. Go down towards where the man a call and anything and buck up on the man. The man where last, when the other man go see man where last, I run that the man want to run from that the man the too scary. Mag and scary. You see me?
Same not eat nothing at all.
Him same eat.
When eat?
When he come back up and tell the people them say they feed him, he did eat rice and peas and curry chicken, he did eat white rice and curry chicken and he did eat cornmeal porridge.
And he maga down?
And he maga down. You see me?
Fire.
Maga down, but a stick in the feed pan peeps. Cause when the man attack and anything there, look all in his mouth between his teeth and anything there, you see it stick trash them and anything there in gum split up from biting his stick and them thing. You see me I say? Maga out, so dehydrated out.
So when you bite all that the stick then think a piece of chicken leg.
Think a piece of curry chicken leg. I tell no peeps based on a true story and right now if you see that the man he can tell no back for himself. I tell no that certain bush no make for human going. Remember me tell no.
Yeah.
Yeah man, certain bush stay for bush purpose only.
Bush purpose only. Yeah. Now hear that people? We're out there at camp and I'd be a double story I tell. Right now I even feel like me I go sleep in the night. Yeah.
Boga who? Bucket. Oat me bucket, man. Oat me bucket. Yeah, man. 90. Big guys, man. High fives, man.
Man.
Redemption song, man.
You got shot. You got shot fish too.
Just a vibrate.
It will be going to Jaffa.
Oh, this a 1 hour.
Jaguar.
It's a Jaguar.
Jaguar. We say one of them are Jaffa.
And the crayfish then look big, watch it.
So one of them Jaffa, for one of them Jaffa on the end.
Oh.
This. Let me tell you this, you see. Nigel and Junior. Any dive in a go and be nice.
Yeah.
And who know how to do that?
I freeze, brother. But then just
90s where you go.
Put it on the fire. We dry out.
Man, man, tremble. Watch out.
Fish and crayfish that run is leak down.
Man, then just a come back.
Cut off wet.
See what they catch ya? How big crayfish there?
Youth.
In there.
Him in there.
I never force for you.
I catch this, they catch to blow. Nine man, wet up a bread. What's the bread, man? Man, I cut. How you cut off? You wet part them.
Yeah, and get a little.
Toast.
And toast it.
Toast it, man.
Yeah, man.
Maybe
While
I cut the bread.
the rice, while the pot there, go on. What's in that pot here? Watch then, man.
Your favorite glass break?
Yes.
Oh, there's some slide and drop.
Back at
Move your
it.
pow.
So, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Rice are going in a pot, you know?
Yeah, man, the wife.
The wife. The wife.
Rice, wash me peeps.
Brown rice.
Yeah.
Parboiled rice.
American rice.
American rice.
American eagle.
You smell like me peeps?
Smell like food.
Smell like
Yo,
soup.
the patty is seasoned up really nice. Watch it, man.
My man, I taste the pot.
I man, them say they know it brown rice and they make breakfast. So nobody do it.
You're going to enjoy the rice.
I will say them not brown rice.
You're going to enjoy the rice.
Nobody done the breakfast.
My brother nice.
Yo. Nobody done the bread.
Man, he the bread.
Done already.
Patty look nice. Watch it, man. So we are build up our next fire right here, so.
Yeah.
So for Friday, the fish and curry the crayfish. Vibes gone back out in the water. 90s change off him clothes. Can him say him cool.
Still cold.
Still cool. Rice almost done. Cookie rice look shelly. Look there, man. Jesus.
So take time go on with himself, you know? So by time the fish land, the crayfish land.
Yeah. Ready.
5 pound of rice, where we get it from?
5
supermarket.
£5 of rice this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Remember to check out the chef, you know, people. Cause you want them good food, yeah? On them riverside, yeah? Link up right away. See, tent them there? Yeah, man. Camp out. No joke about it. Babes, the shrimps them there are curry. Look at that. Wildlife way.
Definitely.
Yacht is it?
Yacht is it. It's not a boat nor a ship with it.
It's a yacht is it?
It's a yacht is it. 90s day I catch up fire over here, so I catch up the next fire. I say crayfish I go pan. Believe. Fish there here, so too.
Fish are going to yourself, yes, sir.
So you fish are for you
Yeah.
vibes, cause we not
Not
eat
them
crayfish. Oh, and the picnic them too.
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Are they not eating either?
Drop a little seasoning in it. In
Yeah.
the belly.
In the belly I eat.
In the throat too.
Oh. Them fish are look nice.
Deep.
Oh. You see that, peeps?
Fry it up.
Remember, not check out our channel now, cause
Yes,
she
man.
know
check
our
out
thing.
it. Check out if it true, me peeps.
Yeah,
you
man.
know? You know, young channel on the rise.
Our link go down in the description, alright?
Give us strength, guys.
Show her some love.
Please.
Yeah, man, you saw she,
Go
she
then
know our
thick.
thing, what's there?
Thick like a show.
Don't make she talk it, you know, peeps.
Show.
Don't let she talk
me
it, you
out
know.
here today, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
As a fisher woman.
Yes, man.
What's your name, man?
Fry with this scale and night same way.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
That got nice.
Right.
Make her think twice. So now check her out.
Yeah.
JD has a look him seasoning.
Which is right.
But him a looking at the dark, so I just have to give him some light. Yeah. For cut up.
Oh, guys.
For cut up.
Yeah?
You cut up, put in anything. Yeah. Cut up on the crayfish. Curry. Crayfish. A crayfish?
Yeah.
Or janga?
Crayfish that.
Janga.
Janga white one them.
Oh, them one here cray.
Yeah.
Oh,
Lobster.
Cray lobster. Right, so I believe and watch what I go on, man. But they out here, at what time you know? About
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock you know?
Yeah, man, 3 a.m.
Bombard. I'm gonna sleep, I'm not sleep yet.
Morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
Well, I'm up here, I'm on the 9th, man. Lock up in 9th already.
Yeah, run this up.
Let's see what I going. Oh there.
Yes, I go on.
Alright.
Where you going with in the tent there? A man locked down in a tent already now. Boy, man, I'll wrap up.
Man,
Wrap up on that shit. Yeah.
be cold like a ice. I tell you,
Yeah.
I go and hold the same way, you know.
Alright, go and hold it like a mullet. So crayfish in a pot here now. Look what I go on. Jaja. So you put in it. I'm missing this. So I'm putting some milk.
One pack that.
Yeah, half. Which one, you know? Go back to
That's a good one. And rice there over here. So 90s, na kusina this. Lift up this a little. That's almost done.
Get that trailer. Make you get that pretty color here first.
But you chef them. 3 chef.
Chef them outside.
You chef them outside.
For your brother side?
Barely.
Coming in from the cold again. Watch it. Let me see it. Yeah. Catching some more again.
Second outings this.
Second outings. Yeah.
Same time.
Fish, you know. Crayfish are cooked peeps.
No, man.
But it look nice.
I can't. Nothing normal. Your pot never big enough.
But even big enough.
You know see what I want?
Look at it.
Hey, thieves. Wanna see smoke come and fight us?
Where you putting it?
Slap your mama.
Let me see it.
Wet it.
Slap
Mama the bad man.
your mama.
And it going and
Yeah,
cray.
man, you can see it, man. See it, man. Beautiful pan cray, yes, man.
Very cray. They look nice, you know,
Tell
bro.
you, like, they're ready to go, don't
Yeah.
tell you, bro.
Watch all the fire.
No, normal, bro.
Nah, man.
Like a Stacy gravy, you know. You tell it by the time. So, yeah, my peeps, we just go and make this go and sit and catch a proper steam, you know. Soak up all the natural ingredients.
Believe it.
Believe it.
Put down a coconut juice.
This is French fry.
Yeah.
Wow. French fry, river fish. And this is which one?
Yeah, man. Cook down in a cook. This French fries, but me I cook it down in some coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
Yeah.
Nice.
More people than me fish.
Where you say a while? Where you say a while
Yeah,
ago?
put more people than eat fish.
Put more people in
And
fish.
crayfish. I'm gonna roast crayfish in.
What you not say?
So man, I'm gonna sit so shine rice.
When no one of me that, I'm glad we not come from Portmore. Yeah, you see that, peeps?
Yeah.
Food I go share you now.
This baby, yo, a can of crayfish them, daddy.
What you say?
I know a can of crayfish them, man.
That I told man them.
Yeah, I told
They Spain man them.
Spain man bad this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Canal bad this what they do.
So food I go share you now. You don't know the peeps when me don't eat. One place me I go.
What
In
a
a my
fart
little
in front of
tent.
belly take him right now.
Oh.
I don't look for where I talk here.
Where? Other than that, nah, hold me none at all. Sheva put in butter in it.
man.
Yeah, God.
It's a good look.
The vibes is right.
It's a good look.
They fish them pretty, man.
See it, man.
See them people are learning.
Yeah, man.
Jaguar, turn up.
The middle one, I Jaguar.
That
That one,
yeah.
Food time you know, peeps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Watch you now, sharing time. Watch you go on. Sharing time you know. You know, say no thing. You ready?
Yacht is it? No.
Food I go
Oh
share.
my God.
Yeah, man. Where the man stop? Yeah, peace, watch it, man. Look where man I share me.
Yeah, man, this.
What? You put my plate of rice.
God. Check say man say no name no food.
Vibes,
Ah,
no
where the-
rice here, vibes.
No, uno say no eat brown rice.
No, me say no.
Uno what?
Me say no vibes.
No man, uno eat brown rice.
Put in rice in a plate.
So we no brown on them there.
Me love brown rice, you know. Me never said that, you know.
No, uno say no eat brown rice. Man.
Now go show them how to warm up them tent.
Brown rice.
Just put up fire.
Bring in your food and lock your door.
Yes.
And you have a furnace.
Me now wake up alone them, you know.
Right now.
Should I?
I mean. I know you know. Man,
Food
Can they eat snacks before they go
Eat
lay down?
snacks.
And juice.
go left for them food.
And so now go and watch the process while food are share. Look at that. Steaming rice. I can't wait to dig in this crayfish.
Them know we not like.
Peeps,
Guys, look
me
at
get
the
my
colour.
food. Look at it.
Look at it.
Let's see what I go on around here, so.
Beautiful.
Beautiful world. Wonderful.
What I go on?
You catch me. Look now, man.
Need to go dig in a man right
Share back in the morning now,
Pause
people.
all recording.
Look where I go. Enough people are asleep now, but we outside like all the time. Believe.
What you say? What you saying there?
Nah, man, that's so.
Fully.
The warm up me tent same way.
So I'm up with tent. Let's see what I go on around here, so. Chevy Nation.
Oh gosh, man. Active like a Wi-Fi, guys. GPS not have nothing on this.
Cha cha.
One for. This is why I use our
Look there.
Back to green light. The next flashlight.
Vibes, what I go on here, so I go check in on vibes, people. Crayfish boss.
Where you get it?
What
I just know one of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Them was oh God, man. Swick it, big up yourself, you know. Black and code, man.
Yes, no
Orienta,
man.
big up yourself, said we. Yeah, man, so see there. Some nice pair, me and shovel, well, no, me and shovel TV still, we can't. But if you don't watch the video, you don't see it. Yeah, man. We there to do the right thing, man. Red rice, and kalasuma and
Already good.
jaguar and yeah.
Believe. Right and proper.
If me fly out a man in the plane, better go on. No, that way, me not left this.
Nah, Leffy. Where you say, Jay? Where I go? Where I go? Where I go? Where I go? I can see where I go on knife plate. I can see where I go on knife plate.
I'm going to my room.
You're going to your room.
To my room.
All right, sir.
I get what I want.
Yes, sir. Yeah, look at that. Man, they are saying a tent lock way.
That time of the night.
We not even can see him. We can't see him. Bolo, we are seeing you now, fish. What? That's it, dog. Neck out. One day, so. One day, so we can't see him in my sleep. 90s gonna sleep, so right now, me are going on my tent in a piece. Me are going on my little hut.
Nigel at 4 o'clock.
One place out the ganja.
At 4 o'clock, you know? Yeah. Oh, hold on. Me go lie down, you know. Me go on my bed, you know. So, peeps, me catch you in the morning when I wake up and I look round. I probably go for a swim in the morning. So, you see that, alright? Believe. Morning, peace. Does I rise up? People are tent here, Jaja. Terrible. We can't stretch out none at all. Like when I stretch out, watch it. My knees still up. Can't stretch out my knee them people. Can't stretch out my foot them. The tent really small. So right now everybody, most people upright you know. I say Jay and I say Chevy out there them a rise and them a look for breakfast. You know, we come at the hotel so breakfast I look boy. So I gotta eat breakfast. I go all swim in the river today before I leave. I go open up my window. I go up on my balcony. I go up on my balcony, I can see what I go on. Look what I go and see. The pool over there. I go all to swim. Wildlife.
You know why? Let's spoil.
Yes, no man. Chevy.
Outside.
Good morning, my neighbors. Chevy, show them how you wake up your neighbor in our country.
Eh?
Show them how you wake up your neighbor in our country. Good morning, neighbor. What? So Chevy wake up neighbor there?
What can everybody do?
Watch ya now, man. So when you live in our country, I saw you wake up your neighbor. Alright?
The cherish part of the day, no guys, because we go to jail.
Don't try it now. Or else you will receive a big stone. So. So right now, peeps, I get up. I go all to swim. And then I get ready and I gotta hit the road.
Like a jack.
To our next adventure. You see me? So I'm gonna go and lock in and clock in and see how it take come down back again, alright? So my tent there. I left from my tent. And I go right in the river right now. Look where I go on. Go all I swim. I live like king. Breakfast I prepare and thing. Go drink some tea. The kids them out there I go and swim. Yeah. Neighbor. You know no back door. And back door lock. Where's that Jay?
They are going to world them like every day.
Junior. Vibes. Go see what I go on. Go and see what I go on in the kitchen here.
If you say, I'm scared of that.
Come on. Yeah, peeps. You water cold, man. You. I did not go in last night, man. 90s wake up, peeps. Yo, I can't the water here when I go in last night. The water is cold. Go and hold to me, hear that? So right now, peeps, we're going to pack up for head out of here right now. The vibes is right. So we're going to head out of this place and go to a different spot. So tent to pack up, you know. And over there, so I pack up there. Pack up some of my tent then. But the water nice, come like me don't want left the water. The water just cool and refreshing. You just want like swim. But last night when them going out, I couldn't do it. But we're gonna pack up and get out of here. So people, as I say, I left right now, we have pack up the tent. So Junior over there start pack up in tent. Yes, no man. And see Duke, yeah, him just rise.
So guys, I'm there wait for Junior to come pack up my tent. Yeah?
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright. And you don't know, say, I want to go over and check out
Chevy Nation vlogs. Yeah man, like, comment, share and subscribe, my peeps. I have good content over there, guys. And if you want to keep these videos coming, you have to give Chevy support, right? Yes man, but still up on one fish, guys.
Yeah.
Fully outside and hide.
Yeah.
Crawling way out here.
Believe. And you don't know, so we have the man himself.
one and only Vice family represent for Nigel, yeah man. And people I tell us you are a good youth, so you continue to subscribe to his channel. You don't know, big up on yourself, enough love and respect. You understand? When you bring him come this far and can bring him go further though. That I think, man. So remember, say, yo, you see when I say people link up and unite with peeps, I know nothing, man. I take off my cap because it's a bad spot. You see it? So I just say things with peeps. Remember, like, comment, share. Please subscribe because it is absolutely free to do so. You understand? So big up on yourself. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Right now, we are left off at this location. Go on for another location now. We are going to surprise some people. So big up on yourself. And we surprise guests when we come. And we know when we see this video in the next video. Big up on yourself.
Yes, no, man. So peeps, so every link I go down in the description. So I want to check them out. Show them some love, show them some support. And make them know say a Nigel Man TV standing over there. Alright? Enough love. Next vlog.